the statutory traditional dance troupe that was created in 2006. The main purpose of its creation was to promote the Rwandan folkloric dance among the youth and their welfare through art. Since its creation, Inganzo Ngari officially ranks as the best of the existing troupes, and their accreditation is done through a series of competitions and evaluation by competent bodies. This prize list has recognition on the professional scene, where the troupe is regarded as a professional and talented group. And among the Rwandan community, Inganzo Ngari has already left footprints and has become the favorite troupe.
We welcome our friends from the Inganzo Ngari dance troupe. What you see here is a traditional victory dance from Africa, displayed at a warrior's triumphant return from war.
During its participation in the International Folkloric Festival of Singapore, Mallorca in Spain, South Africa, Turkey, Russia, Nigeria, Gabon, and more African countries. As the name of the dance troupe tells it, Inganzo Ngari is a dance troupe which focuses on research about Rwandan traditional dances. It also includes international dances